Abusuafo mema obi bia akwa ababa learn akan adesua bia ha. Sa wo ha die, megide se corona mua wayi abai enka wo ana wabusuani bia nto ho. Ansa na yebehye ene adesua no ase no. Mesre se obekoso abo wo ne wabusuafo nyina ho ban afri sa corona yare ho. Ni edikan, hwe se obetwe wo ho afri afoforo ho. Na wonko miaya nipa abobodompem wo ho. Afi so bomodin se wode samina be wohoro wonsa brano. Na se wobebo wa anase obe wensi a hwepe bribi fakata wano ene wo hwene ansa. Na se wuwie a jatu bola diem na ko wohoro wonsa amunum ho a. Megide se ye nyina edi sa anhyehye yesu a yebetumi edi yare boni yesu nkumi. And with this out of the way, let's jump right to today's lesson. So some time back we looked at how to tell the time in Chi, right? But that lesson focused on telling the o'clocks, okay, just the o'clocks. So we learned to tell 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, all the way up to 12 o'clock. If you missed that lesson, please click on this link to go check it out. It is very important that you take that lesson and the vocabulary lessons on time telling that came before that lesson before coming to this one. But if you've taken all our lessons on time telling thus far, then memo akwaba bio. So in our last lesson on saying, I promised you that the next time that we look at time telling, we're going to learn to tell the irregular times, right? So I promised that we're going to learn to tell times like the 3:15s, the 2:45s, the 5:30s and all that. Okay? And that is what we are looking at in this lesson, and it starts right after this. So before we even go on to look at the irregular times, let's do a quick recap on the o'clocks, just so we are on the same page. Okay? So we said to ask for the time in Chi, you simply ask Aboseng. Aboseng, what's the time? Okay, Aboseng. So if you meet up with someone on the street and you want to find out the time from the person, you can start out maybe with a greeting. So maybe Memao Ache, good morning, okay, or Maha, good afternoon, or Memao Ajo, good evening, okay? And then you ask, Me Pawachel Aboseng, please, what's the time? Okay? Me Pawachel Aboseng. And to tell the time, you start out with Abo, okay? Abo, and we said Abo literally means it has struck. Okay? Abo, it has struck. So the verb bo means to strike. So abo, it has struck, and then you follow this up with the time. Okay, so if you know the o'clocks, you simply add any of the o'clocks to this and you have it is, for example, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, all the way up to 12 o'clock. Okay, so in our o'clocks version of the time telling lessons, we looked at abo donko, it's 1 o'clock. Abo no mienu, it's 2 o'clock. Abo no miensa, it's 3 o'clock. Abo no 9, it's 4 o'clock. Abo no num, it's 5 o'clock. Abo no nsia, it's 6 o'clock. Abo no nson, it's 7 o'clock. Abo no wache, it's 8 o'clock. Let me take that again. Abo no wache, it's 8 o'clock. Abo non kron, it's 9 o'clock. Abo non du, it's 10 o'clock. Abo non du bako, it's 11 o'clock. And abo non du mienu, it's 12 o'clock. And we said if you want to specify if the time that you're telling is the AM version or the PM version, we simply use the names of the times of day in Chi. Okay, so you just bring the name of the time of day right before the o'clock, and then you have, you know, the AM or the PM. So for example, if I want to say it's 1 p.m., we know that 1 p.m. is in the afternoon, right? So I just have to find out what afternoon is in Chi, okay? And then bring that right before the o'clock, and that's it, okay? So afternoon in Chi is Ewia, okay? Ewia. So I just have to bring Ewia before 1 o'clock, which is Donko, okay? So if I say Ewia Donko, that is 1 p.m. Okay, so if I want to say it's 1 p.m., I say Abo Ewia Donko. It's 1 p.m. If I want to say 10 p.m., we know 10 p.m. is at night, right? So we just have to find out what night is in Chi. And what's that? Anajo. Okay, so Anajo is night. So we just bring Anajo right before 10, which is non-du. 10 o'clock, which is non-du. So we have Anajo non-du, 10 p.m. Okay, so if I want to say it's 10 p.m., I say Abo Anajo non-du. That's it. If I want to say 7 a.m., 7 a.m. is in the morning, right? So we just have to find out what morning is in Chi, which is what? Anopa, okay? So we bring Anopa right before 7 o'clock, and 7 o'clock in Chi is what? Nonsong, okay? Nonsong. So we bring Anopa right before Nonsong, and we have Anopa Nonsong 7 a.m. Okay, so again, if I want to say it's 7 a.m., I say Abo Anopa Nonsong. Now to the irregular times. So there are two ways of telling the irregular times in both English and in Chi. So you can tell the irregular times in the clockwise direction, and by clockwise direction I mean how the hand of the clock moves. Okay, it moves in the clockwise direction. Okay, so you can tell the irregular times in both English and in Chi in the clockwise direction or in the counterclockwise direction, or anti-clockwise direction, depending on the English that you speak. Okay, so let me use English to explain. So in English, you can say, for example, it's 40 minutes past 6 o'clock. Okay, it's 40 minutes past 6 o'clock. Or you can say it's 20 minutes to or before 7 o'clock. Okay, it's 20 minutes to or before 7 o'clock, and these two refer to the same time. Okay, so 40 minutes past 6 o'clock, so 6:40, or 20 minutes to or before 7 o'clock. Okay, so the first one is you telling the time, the irregular time, in the clockwise direction. So you are following the hand of the clock. So you are going 40 minutes ahead of the clock that is already struck. Okay, and with the second one, you are telling the irregular time in the counterclockwise direction. So you are taking it from the number of minutes that's remaining before the yet to be struck o'clock. Okay, so these are the structures of the two ways by which you can tell the irregular times in English. And we spent time on this because we have the same thing in Chi. Okay, so in Chi, just as you have in English, we have two ways of telling the irregular times, in the clockwise direction and in the counter or anti-clockwise direction. So let's go ahead and look at the structures for the two ways of telling the irregular times in Chi. And we are starting out with the clockwise direction. So to tell the irregular time in Chi in the clockwise direction, you start out with Abo. Okay, Abo. And we said Abo literally means it has struck. Okay, so this is what you have in English as it's. Okay, so when you say it's 5 p.m., that it's, we have it as Abo. Okay, Abo. And then you follow this up with the o'clock. So again, you have to know the Chi names of the o'clocks. You can find the link above. Okay, so we have the Donko for 1 o'clock, no mienu, no miensa, no 9, nonum, nonsia, nonson, nonwɔtwe, nonkron, nondu, nondu baako, and nondu mienu. So you put any of your clocks right after the abo. Okay, so for example, you put nonsia, which is 6 o'clock, right after the abo, and then you have abo nonsia, it's 6 o'clock. Okay, and after that you have apaho. Apaho, and apaho means it's gone past 8, and this 8 is referring back to the o'clock that you just mentioned. Okay, so you are saying that it struck 6 o'clock and gone past 8. Okay, so apaho means it's gone past 8, and this is coming from the phrasal verb paho. Paho, and paho means to go past. Okay, so this is the perfect form. Paho, to go past. Apaho, it has gone past. And then you follow this up with sima. And what is sima? Minutes. Okay, so we have abo nonsia, apaho, sima. Okay, and finally you add the number of minutes that has gone past the o'clock that you made reference to. Okay, so how many minutes do you have after the 6 o'clock? So if we use the same example that we used for the English one, we had 6:40, so 40 minutes past 6 o'clock. So we just have to find out what 40, the number 40 is in chi, and add it to this, and we are done. Okay, so you need to know your numbers. The link is above. Okay, so 40 is aduanan. Okay, aduanan 40. So we have abo nonsia, apaho, sima, aduanan. Okay, it's 40 minutes past 6 o'clock. Isn't that simple? It is, right? Yeah, I agree. So we have abo nonsia, apaho, sima, aduanan. It's 40 minutes past 6 o'clock. Okay, or it's 6:40. All right, let's see another example. So let's do 7:25. Okay, 7:25. So again, we start out with abo, it has struck. Okay, abo, and then we have to find out what 7 o'clock is in chi. Nonson. Okay, nonson is 7 o'clock. So abo nonson. Okay, and then we have apaho, it's gone past 8. Okay, apaho, and then we have sima, which is what? Minutes. Okay, sima, and then we have 25. What is 25 in chi? Your numbers. Aduonunum. Okay, aduonunum. So we have abo nonson, apaho, sima, aduonunum. It's 25 minutes past 7 o'clock. Very simple, right? Abo nonson, apaho, sima, aduonunum. Now, before we move on to tell it in the counterclockwise direction, do note that you can specify the AM or the PM of the time by just bringing in the name of the time of day right before the o'clock, just like I told you earlier. Okay, so the first one we had abo nonsia, apaho, sima, aduanan. It's 40 minutes past 6 o'clock, but we didn't specify whether the 6 o'clock is in the morning or it's the evening one. Okay, so if we want to tell that this is in the morning, so it's 6 a.m., we just bring anopa, which is morning, okay, right before the nonsia, 6 o'clock. Okay, so we'll have abo, anopa, nonsia, apaho, sima, aduanan. It's 40 minutes past 6 a.m. Okay, but if this 6 o'clock is in the evening, then we just have to find out what evening is in chi, which is what? Enyumre. Okay, so we bring enyumre right before the nonsia, and then we have abo, enyumre, nonsia, apaho, sima, aduanan. It's 40 minutes past 6 p.m. Okay, we can do same with the second example. So if it's in the morning, so if it's 7 a.m., we have abo anopa nonson apahu sima eduonunum. Okay, it's 25 minutes past 7 a.m. Okay, if it's 7 in the evening, we have abo enyumre nonson apahu sima eduonunum. Now let's look at the structure for telling the irregular times in the counterclockwise direction. Okay, and for that we start out with aka, 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 and aka means it's remaining. Okay, it's left with. Okay, so the verb ka means to remain. All right, so we have aka, it's remaining or it's left with. Okay, and then you follow this up with sima. What is sima? Minutes. Okay, so we have aka sima, and then you follow this up with the number of minutes that's left before the yet to be struck o'clock. Okay, so the o'clock that is yet to strike, how many minutes do we have before that o'clock? Okay, so in this case we have 20 minutes. We are using the same examples that we used earlier. So we have 20 minutes. So we have to find out what 20 is in Chi, and that is what? Eduonu. Okay, so we have aka sima eduonu. It's left with 20 minutes. Okay, and then you follow this up with na abo. Na abo. So the na here is end, and then we have abo, it has struck. Okay, so we have aka sima eduonu na abo, which will literally mean it's left with 20 minutes and it has struck. Okay, so we are saying it's left with 20 minutes to or before. Okay, and finally you add the yet to be struck o'clock and you are done. Okay, so in this case we had 7 o'clock, which is nonson. Okay, so we add nonson to this, and then we have aka sima eduonu na abo nonson. It's left with 20 minutes to or before 7 o'clock. Okay, let's look at the second example. And for the second example, in the clockwise direction, we had 7:25. Okay, so abo nonson apahu sima eduonunum. Okay, abo nonson apahu sima eduonunum. Now, in the counterclockwise direction, this same time will be 35 minutes to 8 o'clock. Okay, so 7:25 means 35 minutes to or before 8 o'clock. Okay, so again we start out with aka, it's left with, okay, followed by sima, minutes. How many minutes? 35. Okay, and 35 in Chi is ediasa num. Okay, ediasa num. So we have ediasa as 30, and then we have num as 5. Okay, so ediasa num. So we have aka sima ediasa num. It's left with 35 minutes. Okay, na abo, and it has struck. Okay, and then we have 8 o'clock. And what is 8 o'clock in Chi? Nonwochi. Okay, so we add nonwochi to this, and then we have aka sima ediasa num na abo nonwochi. Okay, aka sima ediasa num na abo nonwochi. It's left with 35 minutes to or before 8 o'clock. And again, if you want to specify the AM or the PM of the o'clock, you just have to bring the Chi name of the time of day right before the o'clock, and that's it. Okay, so in this case, if you want to say that it's 35 minutes to 8 a.m., then we'll say aka sima ediasa num na abo anopa nonwoche. Okay, but if the 8 o'clock is in the evening, then we bring enyumre, which is evening, before the o'clock. Okay, so we have aka sima ediasa num na abo enyumre nonwoche. Right, so to end today's lesson, I'm going to leave you with a few more examples to help you with your practice. So I'm going to say the same set of times in both the clockwise direction and the anti-clockwise direction, but I'll not display the times immediately. Okay, so I'll leave some time for you to guess them before I display them. Okay, so do tell me in the comments below how you perform. Don't cheat. So for the first one, in the clockwise direction, we have abo nonkron apaho sima dumiensa. Abo nonkron apaho sima dumiensa. Abo nonkron apaho sima dumiensa. And in the counterclockwise direction, we have aka sima edianai nson na abo nondu. Aka sima edianai nson na abo nondu. Aka sima edianai nson na abo nondu. Okay, for the second one, we have abo anajo nondu apaho sima edionum num. Abo anajo nondu apaho sima edionum num. Abo anajo nondu apaho sima edionum num. And in the counterclockwise direction, we have aka sima num na abo anajo nondu bako. Aka sima num na abo anajo nondu bako. Aka sima num na abo anajo nondu bako. Next, we have abo nonai apaho sima edianai nai. Abo nonai apaho sima edianai nai. Abo nonai apaho sima edianai nai. Okay, so that is the clockwise direction. And for the counterclockwise direction, we have aka sima dunsia na abo nonum. Aka sima dunsia na abo nonum. Aka sima dunsia na abo nonum. Okay, next, in the clockwise direction, we have abo nonum apaho sima dunkron. Abo nonum apaho sima dunkron. Abo nonum apaho sima dunkron. And in the counterclockwise direction, we have aka sima edianai bako na abo nonsia. Aka sima edianai bako na abo nonsia. Aka sima edianai bako na abo nonsia. And for the last one, in the clockwise direction, we have abo anopa nonsia apaho sima nsia. Abo anopa nonsia apaho sima nsia. Abo anopa nonsia apaho sima nsia. And for the same time, in the counterclockwise direction, we have aka sima edionum nai na abo anopa nonson. Aka sima edionum nai na abo anopa nonson. Aka sima edionum nai na abo anopa nonson. Right, so this is where we end today's lesson. I hope you found it useful. If you did find it useful, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. give the video a thumbs up and leave a comment in the comment section below. I'll see you guys next time.